All right, crew. Today we're talking about the holy grail of bartending, the free pour. That's right. No jiggers, no measuring cups, just you, the bottle, and gravity. Get it right, and you'll look like a pro. Get it wrong, and congratulations, you just overpoured the house into bankruptcy. Free pouring isn't just showing off. It's about speed, consistency, and control. Your goal? Pour the exact amount every time while looking smooth. Because nobody tips extra for sloppy drinks. And managers hate wasted liquor more than they hate karaoke night. Here's the secret weapon, the 4 count. Every liquor spout is designed to pour about 1/4 ounce per second. So 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1 ounce. You're basically counting beats like a DJ, except instead of dropping the bass, you're dropping tequila. Grip the neck between your thumb and fingers. Tilt it smooth, not like you're watering plants. A clean, confident flip makes you look like you know what you're doing. And for the love of tips, don't death grip the bottle like it's trying to escape. Want to master it? Practice. Line up some empty bottles and fill with water, place a pour spout on the bottle, and practice your 4 count into a cup. Pour the water into the cup and use a 1 ounce shot glass or a jigger to measure. If the shot or the 4 count is too heavy or too short, speed up or slow down your count to make the proper adjustments. You'll look ridiculous at first, but once you've got the rhythm, you'll pour perfect shots without even looking. And yes, you're allowed to feel cool about it. Free pouring isn't juggling bottles or lighting citrus peels on fire. It's about accuracy first, flair second. Look smooth, sure, but if you can't pour a 1.5 ounce shot without drowning the glass, put the circus tricks on hold. And that's the art of the free pour. Get the rhythm down, and you'll be fast, smooth, and accurate. Mess it up, and you're either giving away the bar's profits or serving shots so weak your customers will order from someone else. So count it right, pour it tight, and make every drink look effortless.